Japan has a big challenge. Its population is getting older, which means fewer people are working. By 2040, more than 35% of Japanese people will be over 65. This is a problem for many businesses because they need workers, but it's also a chance for Japan to do things differently. Japan is using technology to find solutions. This isn't just about replacing workers, it's about changing how things are done. Japan wants to create a society where technology helps everyone. This is called Society 5.0, where technology and people live together. The government is helping by spending money on research and supporting businesses that use new technologies like artificial intelligence and robots. Japan's tech revolution is a story of change and new ideas. It shows us a future where technology helps us solve problems and makes a better world for everyone. Construction is one of the areas most affected by Japan's shrinking workforce. Old ways of building are becoming a problem, so Japan is using automation and going digital. Companies like Komatsu are leading the way. They're making construction equipment that uses computers and the internet. Think self-driving bulldozers and excavators. These machines can work all day long, even in dangerous places. Another company, Obayashi, is working with robot companies like SRI and Safe AI to make construction robots that can do things that are dangerous or hard for people. The government's construction program is also helping. This program encourages using digital tools in construction like computer models of buildings and drones for surveying. As Japan's population ages, they need more healthcare, but there aren't enough doctors and nurses. To fix this, Japan is using technology in healthcare. One example is telemedicine. Companies like MNEs are making cloud-based imaging platforms. These let doctors see patients and make diagnoses from far away. This is really helpful for people in rural areas who can't easily go to the doctor. Robots are also important in healthcare. Cyberdyne is making exoskeletons, which are like robot suits to help people move. These can help elderly people walk and live more independently. Japan's older population creates challenges for transportation. Drivers are getting older, which can be dangerous, so Japan is investing in self-driving technology. Companies like Toyota are making self-driving cars and trucks that use sensors and artificial intelligence to drive without a person. This could make roads safer and prevent accidents. Japan is also exploring new types of vehicles. The iRoad, made by Toyota, is a small, three-wheeled electric car for short trips in cities. Farming is another area with big challenges in Japan. The average age of a farmer is over 68, and young people don't want to farm. So, Japan is using technology to make farming easier and more interesting for young people. Kubota is a company that's making self-driving tractors and other farm machines that can plant, harvest, and even check on crops. The government is also helping modernize farming with its Smart Agriculture project, which encourages the use of computers and the internet in farming. The Japanese government knows technology can change things. It has started programs to make Japan a tech-driven society and solve the problems of an aging population. These programs help people use technology in many different areas. One program is Society 5.0. This is a plan for a future where the internet and the real world are connected seamlessly. It wants to create a society where technology helps people and solves problems. The government is also supporting research in new technologies like artificial intelligence, robots, and the Internet of Things. By giving money and helping businesses work together, the government is encouraging new ideas and cutting-edge technology. Japan is a leader in the smart city movement. Big cities like Tokyo and Yokohama are changing to improve people's lives. These smart city projects use technology to make cities more efficient, environmentally friendly, and focused on the people who live there. One important part of Japan's smart cities is intelligent transportation systems. These use sensors and data to make traffic flow better and reduce traffic jams. Self-driving buses and taxis are being tested to make public transport better. Another focus is saving energy. Smart grids are being used to monitor and control energy use. As Japan uses new technologies, it's also thinking about what's right and wrong. Japan has a strong tradition of doing things carefully and ethically, and this is important for artificial intelligence too. Japan wants to develop AI that helps people and is consistent with human values. The government has created rules and guidelines for AI to make sure it's used responsibly. One important area is healthcare. Japan wants to make sure that AI in healthcare is safe and ethical, protecting patient privacy, keeping data safe, and being transparent about how AI makes decisions. Japan's tech revolution shows how the country can adapt and create new things when facing challenges. The government is helping create a tech-driven society, and businesses are developing new technologies. This makes Japan a world leader in technology. Japan is investing in research in areas like artificial intelligence, robotics, and the Internet of Things, so it will probably make even more progress in the future. Japan's focus on ethics and Society 5.0 shows a future where technology is part of everyday life, helping people and creating a better and fairer society. Japan's tech journey is an example to the world. It shows how a country can use technology to solve its problems and create a better future for everyone.